guys, and welcome to my channel. My name's Katie if you're new here, and today I am so excited because I'm going to be sharing with you my Halloween home tour. So I love Halloween, I love everything about it. I've done several Halloween and fall related videos this season. If you missed any of those, I will link them in a playlist down below. But this video is going to be the grand finale of all of my fall and Halloween videos this year. I'm actually about to have a baby in just a couple of days, so this is going to be it for my fall decorating. Thank you all so much for your support over this season. It truly means the world to me. And I did want to let you guys know that I'm going to be doing this home tour in two different ways. The first way is I'm going to walk through my home and talk to you guys about all the different decor pieces and where I got those in case you're interested in that. If you're not, I'm going to be also doing a home tour just set to spooky music, and that will come after the talking version. So I'll put a timestamp in my description box if that's what you're looking for. And at the very end, I will do a little montage of like my house when it's nighttime, and also the outside like lit up and looking spooky to give you all of the good spooky vibes. So thank you all so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, definitely consider doing so. I would love to have you. And let's go ahead and get right into this video. So here is my front porch, and I recently made a video on how I set up my porch, and I'll link that down below. I haven't really done much else to it for Halloween, except for I did add my skeleton. Sorry about that light. It's motion sensor, so it will turn off and on. And I added a skeleton, and I do have a Halloween mat that says "Creep It Real." So come on in. Okay guys, so I think I'm going to start in my kitchen this time. So starting up above all of my cabinets, I put this creepy fabric, and you can find this at all types of different stores. Target, I'm sure Dollar Tree has it, and it's really inexpensive, and I think that it looks really neat, especially right on top of like cabinets, and definitely adds to a space. Beside my sink, I have my salt lamp, and I love salt lamps. They are especially cool in my opinion during the fall time. I just put a little bit of cotton webs underneath, and then over here on the other side of my sink, I have a pumpkin soap dispenser. I got this actually from Kroger, I believe, either Kroger or Meijer. And then I have my apple cider Mrs. Meijer scent. That is my absolute favorite. It's just perfect for fall. And then right here beside my Keurig, I have my DIY tier tray, and I have decorated this in so many different ways. I can't make up my mind on how I like it, but I think it's kind of cool with the little skeleton guy peeking out from behind the sign. It's cracking me up a little bit. And the Witch's Brew sign, also the tag, I DIY'd those, and I have them in my Etsy shop. And I think that they're really cool. This farmhouse or haunted farmhouse tag is my favorite. I just love that. And then the little house that it's hanging from, that came from Target. And the little tiny pumpkins all around, those came from Hobby Lobby. On this side of my coffee station, I have a whole little setup here. And I have a sign that I made, and it says "Happy October Witches." I think this is perfect for Halloween month. And then I painted a couple of mugs from Dollar Tree black, and then I applied some vinyl to those. Those are also available in my Etsy shop. And then I have a sparkly black and gold pumpkin from Target. This Books of Spells is from Meijer, and then the little ghost is from Target, and the hat is from Dollar Tree, and those little pumpkins are the same ones. They're from Hobby Lobby. Right in the middle of my island, I have pumpkin swirl donut candle burning. I got this from Dollar General, and then I just put a spooky hand right here beside it, and I think it just adds a little bit more Halloween vibes. So here is the kitchen. For my dining room table, I went with a little bit of a witchy slash fortune teller theme, and this sign is another one I made. It says "I put a spell on you." And the purple unfiltered poison container, I DIY'd that. I will link that video down below, as well as the other potion container. I also DIY'd that. And then I have a cauldron behind there, and the cauldron is from Target, and I just put some cobwebs in there and I think it looks neat, like it's spilling out. And then I just have a few Dollar Tree pumpkins scattered about. I am not sure what I want to do with my place setting yet, so I've just sort of left it like this. If you have any ideas or suggestions, let me know in the comments below. So for my hutch, I did go with a very monochrome theme. I made a video kind of detailing how I did a lot of these DIYs. I will also link that one down below. But for my whole house this year, I've really been digging the white and black. So those plants I got from Target. The skeleton also came from Target, and the signs, the skeleton and Happy Halloween are all things that I made. The signs and Happy Halloween I have in my Etsy store, and the DIY video for the skeletons is linked below. I also made these bowls. I just painted some Dollar Tree bowls black and then applied some white vinyl, and I got this little frog and his container from Target, and I made the witch sign. So I just love the look of the white and black. I kept trying to incorporate orange and I just couldn't do it this year. I'm not sure why, but I don't know. I just love the white and black, I guess. And up here I have the skeleton man with some cobwebs, and I think it's hilarious because it looks like he's taking a bath to me. And my husband actually found this tin thing on the side of the road. I mentioned that in my fall home tour video as well. I just think that it's actually a really nice piece to decorate with. Here's the look of all of it all together. For my living room, I did keep with the black and white theme, and I also did add a little bit of browns. And this farmhouse sign, I got this from Hobby Lobby, and it's perfect because it works for all of the different seasons. These candle holders or candlesticks, I also got those from Hobby Lobby. The skeleton heads came from Target, and the creepy fabric, I believe that came from Target as well, but that, like I said, you can find that basically anywhere. And then below that, I have my piano. And over here on this tray, I have a couple of signs that I have made. And these books I also DIY'd just to make them look grungy. I have a couple of little spiders on there. And these are the coolest flower things ever. They have eyeballs in them. Those are from Dollar Tree. On my 3 shelves that I got from IKEA, I have this spooky book. I think this is the weirdest looking book ever. I always like putting it out around Halloween time. And then I DIY'd these canisters, and I just put some flowers that I spray painted black inside of them. And on this shelf, I hung a garland that I got from Dollar Tree, and it just has some skeletons on it. And the other skeletons on this shelf are from Target or Dollar Tree. And then on the very top shelf, I have some more of the spooky fabric and an eek sign. I got the eek sign from Joann Fabrics, and both of these milk jugs are from Hobby Lobby, and then the flowers inside of those, I spray painted those black as well. So here is my back entryway, and I did make a DIY video on this. If you guys missed it, I will link it in the description below. It was actually 2 videos. In one of the videos, my husband and I made the white background like behind the Black Hat Inn sign, and then in the most recent video I DIY'd all of the Halloween items on here. So on the top row there is a skeleton head, and that came from Dollar Tree. The little container right beside that with the skeleton on it I DIY'd, and then the other skeleton also came from Dollar Tree. The stack of books I DIY'd, and the hands holding the candlesticks, those came from Dollar Tree. The candlesticks came from, I believe, IKEA. And the Old Salem's Black Hat Inn, that's vinyl that I cut using my Cricut. And this bird, my grandma gave me this bird, and I believe it's from Target. And I really like it. The kids think it's real, and it kind of drives me nuts after a while, so I have to turn it off and tell them it's asleep. But other than that, I think it's pretty cool. The sparkly hat I got from Target. The other hat came from Joann Fabrics. And then I made this little witch's broom. Right in front of my couch, I have this tote, and I painted this tote white, and then I DIY'd this spell book. I think this is really neat. It just has a lot of texture to it, and it looks older, and I love that look. I think it goes really well with the witchy and then the black and white theme. And then beside that, I just put a spider.
You made him?
I didn't make him, actually.
And you made him.
I didn't make him.
You made him.
I didn't. That was one thing I didn't make.
Yeah, you did.
What's his name?
Carl.
What's his name, Raven?
Carl.
Carl?
Yeah. Carl.
Carl.
Go. 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 Go.
That is going to be all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. It truly means the world to me, and I hope that you have an amazing day. If you'd like to know where I purchased any of the decor pieces, I will have everything listed in my description box down below, so make sure you check that out. Bye guys, talk to you in my next one.